Hi everyone, sorry for the trouble that our last extension works up. I forget to record the video, so don't worry. I will clearly explain the all steps. Okay. First of all, I will go to my slide. Okay. Okay. I think okay. I'm already told you what is the browser extension. A browser extension is a small at extra feature. Improve your browsing experience without changing the browser itself. It means you want to improve your browsing experience. You can add any extension. You can upgrade a new version like that. Example, I will show you. I, wait, I will show you. This is my browser. Okay. Okay. I'm using several type of extension. Example, this is my portfolio. Okay. Any you are the beginner level developer. You want to check what are the technology I am using. Just click this extension. You can also check what are the technologies I am using this website. I am serial purpose using Cloudinary and Google Analytica version Analytics, a Google Font API. You can easy to understand what are the technology I am using. Okay, now I am a developer. Create a website. I want to check the mobile responsive. So I am click this extension icon. It's automatically convert to mobile version. So you can also you can also see what some mobile version. You can also custom change the device sizes also. Now I'm convert to iPad. Okay. You can also see I know my website is not good. It's my portfolio. I want to some changes. So the demo purpose, I will show them my website. Okay. Okay. What is the browser? And most of the popular browser extension. Um. Okay. I think we don't want this part. Okay, some of the most widely used browser extension include I think most of the people know about this extension here about this extension AdBlock. AdBlock. You can also enable this extension. You can also block the UI. Sometimes you watching the YouTube any serious movies or videos. Sometimes any ad you very disappointment. So using this extension, you can block the ad. And Grammarly. Most of the people know about Grammarly. If Grammarly for we are using for spelling and grammar checking the purpose. Dark Reader, Google Translate. Uh, okay. Extension developer commonly use Web Placer. I'm already show the Web Placer tools. Wait, I will show you. Where's my browser? Okay. Example, now I go to my website, my portfolio. You can use the Web Placer tool. You can also check what are the technology I'm using, so you can easy to understand. Um, and also React developer tools and JSON Weaver Lighthouse. Most of the extension have for the developer. You can also try out. You can first of all you if you want to become a developer or anything, you can research. You can search. You don't use ChatGPT anything. You can Google it. Just Google it. Because you are searching in ChatGPT or any AI kind of tool. You can find the tool, but you can't try, but you can also google it and find the tool. You can explore the tool. You can get a more idea. How to build the Chrome extension. A basic Chrome extension is the build using standard web technologies: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, JSON. Okay, main files. Main first JSON configure. documentation file that tell Chrome about the extension. Example, you want to publish your extension. Sometimes you are collecting the user details. You want to tell Google, I am collecting this type of data from user. You before you submit the proposal, you don't you must you want to submit the I am collecting this type of data. And pop, pop-up HTML, the pop-up HTML interface show when click the extension icon. This is the pop-up HTML. This is and pop-up JS control pop-up functionality. Content JS run JavaScript inside web page. Set example, set image icon. This is an icon. So this is also icon. This is also icons. Okay. What is the manifestation important? There's like extension name, version, description, permission. What are the type of permission you ask from your user? Icon, script, pop-up settings. When writing extension logic, a simple development workflow. Generate an idea, create a project structure, and set build a functionality, test locally, publish the Chrome Web Store. Okay. First of all, you want to create a website. I will share the whole prompt. You can just copy paste the prompt. If you want to any extra function or extra feature, you can modify that prompt. Okay. You can use any kind of AI tools. Recently also I created one of the extension. I will show you my project. Okay, this is the, I'm using this I for the logo. I'm just testing purpose. I am using this type of this logo. Okay. Okay. Don't confuse. I'm just open the VS Code. I haven't some knowledge of the terminal, so that's why I'm using terminal. If you want to change the code, you can also use the VS Code. Okay. This is the pop-up. We can get first of all we can get the zip file. After that, extract the zip file and open the file and go to your files. And if you want any correction, example this wait I wish app header content row. Okay, if you want any change, you can modify it. I think I will change the number. Okay, numbers is before is the numbers. After change the number. Okay. First of all, you go to your browser. Most of the people using Chrome, so I will show the Chrome browser. Okay, you go to your Chrome browser and click this and go to extension. Okay, and click the manage extension. Okay. Most of the time this developer mode is off. You can on the developer mode and load unpacked. Click the load unpacked and go to your file, your extract file. I think this is and click the select folder folder. I think what's the issue? Oh, sorry. Sorry. Okay, select the folder. Okay. Okay, you can okay. It's automatically it's extension at your extension folder. Please click this extension icon and click. If you want to pin the extension, you can pin using this icon. Click this. Okay. This is before is numbers. I change the number. and you can also generate a password or something if you want. Don't copy paste this password generator. I'm testing purpose, I am created this tool. Not a tool, this extension. You can use any your own ideas. If you want anything, you can use this create your own tool. Okay. Example, you are a graphic designer, I will show you example. um, okay, I will go to my portfolios. Okay, I want to check that this website, this color, I want to pick the any color, pick color. Okay, I want to pick the this color, what color I am using. Example. Okay, for the exam. Okay, I will click the, you can also see. Okay, this copy is automatically copy your uh, it's automatically copy the your the selected color. Okay, you can if you are graphic designer, you want to design any colors, you can also with any website, you can just select the color and is automatically copy, you just paste your design. Okay, that's all. Okay, I hope you understand this video, this workshop video. Sometimes I have some language issues, but I can try by I can try my best. If you have any doubt, anything, please send me a message. I will show them my email address. This is my personal email address: Muhammad Mashri 2003 at gmail.com. If you have any doubt, please .com. Please ask. Okay, thank you very much.